keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing cold as ice, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen.
Hey guys, it's Yashita and welcome back to my channel. So today is a really exciting day. Me and my mom are going for a little staycation to Neemrana Fort Palace, which is about 3 hours away from our house. So it's kind of a mini road trip and a little staycation kind of trip. It's literally a very short trip. It's for 1 night and 2 days. So I decided to vlog because you guys really like my vlogs and you always want to see more vlogs. So I thought, why not? And now I should probably head out. My mom is waiting for me outside. So let's go.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing cold as ice, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. Are you bad enough to sin? I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, and okay.
Okay guys, so we have finally reached here and यहाँ पे बहुत अभी गर्मी हो रही है and our room was at the top. So I look so bad right now, but I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. This is where the room starts. We have this kind of a lobby और वहाँ जाके room है, and in this lobby here we have a bathroom. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys how the bathroom is. Hi, this is me. This is our little bathroom. We've got a bathtub here, which is great. This is a really small bathroom, but I really like it. It's really cute and it has a bathtub, so thumbs up for that. As we enter this room, hi mama. That's my mom. Okay, so this is the first part of this room. Here we have a single bed. काफ़ी ओल्ड स्कूल टाइप का है, काफ़ी एथनिक है क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज 600 years old पैलेस. सो इसका पूरा इंटीरियर वैसा ही है. वी हैव wardrobe situation over here. Hi again. And table. यहाँ पे मैंने अपना सामान रखा है. Yes, I've got my ukulele and our luggage is here. So here we have another room and this is the entrance of this. And here we have a double bed. It looks so cool guys. Just look at this. Again, it's a really small room, but it is so pretty, very beautiful. Here is my favorite part of the room. Again, we have a private terrace and a pool view. Wait, let me give you guys a better view. So this is our private terrace and we have a hill view and the pool view. It is so beautiful. And we have the view of the entire city. You can see it. It's so beautiful. रात में कितना सुंदर लगता होगा ये. I just can't wait to see it. Again, we have a private balcony seating area. Let me show you guys how this one looks. So just look at this. This is our private seating area. And एक squirrel गई अभी मेरे बगल से. Okay then. Okay, so we have this view again from here. It's so beautiful. I just love this place so much.
I've been running circles all the time, but I want you.
Okay guys, so now we are finally ready और थोड़ा freshen up कर लिया है, थोड़ा change कर लिया है. And now we're just gonna go for a sightseeing. थोड़ा ये होटल को explore करेंगे कि क्या क्या है यहाँ पे. And let me show you guys how pretty, how beautiful my mom is looking. How beautiful my mom is looking. I love her outfit, her earrings. Okay, so we are at this point of this palace. यहाँ से पूरा city view दिखता है and it's so beautiful. Sunset के time कितना सुंदर लगता होगा.
I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you.
Okay guys, so we were out here for a while और इतनी गर्मी है कि मेरी और मम्मा की तो हालत बहुत बुरी हो गई. हम दोनों धूप में लाल हो जाते हैं और इस वक्त हम बहुत थक गए. बट वी ऑल्सो डिस्कवर्ड दैट देयर इज़ अनदर पूल ओवर हियर. और इसके बाद हम सोच रहे हैं कि हम टी कॉफ़ी के बाद सीधा पूल में आए क्योंकि लिटरली इतनी गर्मी है कि दिमाग गर्म हो गया है. So we are currently at Hawa Mahal for our evening tea and coffee. This was included in our package. This is supposed to be a complimentary refreshment. और अभी refreshment की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी हमें. Just look at us. We're really tired. We were clicking pictures क्योंकि you know for Instagram. And now we're gonna chill here for a bit and then we're gonna head to the pool. So I was just passing by and I saw this little spot और यहाँ से पूरा hill view दिख रहा है. Look at this view, so beautiful. Okay guys, now we are in our swimming costumes और हम ready हैं pool में dip करने के लिए. And finally अब weather काफ़ी better हो गया है पहले से, शाम हो गई है तो. So let's go.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Had a lot of fun in the pool. मम्मा को थोड़ा डर लगता है pool से, so mom was just sitting here chilling and I had a lot of fun. And now we are just gonna chill here for a little bit. So we are back from the pool and now we are heading for, I don't know, some evening entertainment thing. Think folk dance या some music. Something is there, so yeah, we're gonna go there. I'm dressed up yet again. I'm wearing this really cute dress which I got from H&M 2 years ago, but I love the prints on it. It was matching the whole vibe. So yeah, now mom is getting ready and as soon as she gets dressed, we're gonna head there. And yeah, I'm gonna give you a little glimpse of how it looks and how it is. That clip that you saw was the folk music और यहाँ पे हम काफ़ी लेट हो गए तो हम ज़्यादा देर देख नहीं पाए. So we came here. This is a bar and we got a drink which is non-alcoholic, but yeah, mom is enjoying that drink and we're just chilling on the swing. यहाँ पे एक बहुत cool सा swing मिला मुझे. So yeah, we're just chilling here and after that we're gonna head for the dinner. Good morning guys, so it's the next day and we woke up around 6 a.m. and currently it is 7. We got ready and we came here to just explore the place क्योंकि कल दिन में बहुत धूप थी, so we couldn't see like the whole plot, so there's a lot more left to explore. And also I wanted to click some pictures. Mama! Oh my god. Okay, so I was just vlogging here and that's a peacock. Oh my god, wait.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. if you believe it's true. Baby, won't you let the light shine through for you?
Hi guys, so we just finished our photo shoot and got changed, so we are here for the breakfast. So अभी उसमें थोड़ा टाइम है, तो यहाँ पे बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सीटिंग एरिया है जहाँ से पूरा हिल व्यू दिखता है. So we're just gonna sit here for a bit. You can see it. I'm gonna show you a better view and we're gonna just chill here for a bit and then we're gonna have our breakfast and move along. Finally here for the breakfast and I'm having some masala dosa. South Indian is one of my favorite cuisines and my mom is having some idli and poha. The best part is that I got some donuts. मुझे allowed तो नहीं खाना but vacation पे चलता है. Hi guys, so after the breakfast हम लोग रूम में आराम कर रहे थे क्योंकि रात में we slept really late. So right now we are heading for a camel ride. यहाँ से 1 kilometers हमको ले जाएंगे and there's a step well. So I'm gonna vlog all of that. So let's go. Hi guys, so meet my new friend. He's called Chotu and he got us here 1 kilometer away from our hotel. So this place is called Neemrana's Bavdi. It's Neemrana ki Bavdi.
हिंदी में बावड़ी बोलते हैं और ये बावड़ी जो नीमराना के राजा थे उसी ने बनवाई थी. ये 1797 में बनी थी और इसमें पानी का स्टोर रहता था. पानी भरा रहता था. 9 फ्लोर गहरी है, 9 फ्लोर. इसके पीछे कुआं है वेल, तो उस कुएं से पानी आता था नीचे से ज़मीन का लेवल का. इसमें नहाने धोने का स्टोर होता था और कुएं से पीने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते थे राजा के लिए.
अच्छा.
और पहले बताते हैं कि नीमराना फोर्ट से अंडरग्राउंड रास्ता था यहाँ तक.
अच्छा.
तो वहाँ से रानियाँ आती थी नहाने.
Okay guys, so this was Neemrana की बावड़ी and I'm really scared of heights. तो मेरे को बहुत डर लग रहा है देखने से. Explore this और गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here. इससे ज़्यादा मैं vlog नहीं करने वाली हूँ क्योंकि अब मुझे थोड़ा personal time चाहिए मॉम के साथ. So we're gonna head back to the hotel and chill and do a little pampering sesh and we are going to check out in the evening. So I'm just gonna end this vlog right here. I hope आप लोगों को ये vlog पसंद आया हो. If you want more travel vlogs, let me know. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.